is going on, guys? It has been a long time, like 2 months. Sorry about that. And now we're going into the wild abyss. I think that means, like, I don't know what. This hill climb action. Oh, Jeddah. Oh my goodness. Okay, Jeddah's going slow again. Like, come on, bud, put that thing in fifth and let her eat. He's scared to open it up though. Like, if you open them up, they bounce across the rocks. You don't have to go through the rocks, you bounce over the rocks. I've done many hours of R&D and came to that conclusion. More throttle. Yo, okay, so if you guys subscribe and leave a comment on this video that says I subscribed, I'll be giving a free pair of Pure Adrenaline sunglasses away to, like, whatever pair of sunglasses you guys want on Pure Adrenaline's website. Just say that and I'll pick a random comment. Make sure you're subscribed though. If not, we will not do the giveaway to you. Okay guys, so there's like a big hobo camp down here. Dude, that was extremely muddy. Good thing I didn't go right to the middle of it like I wanted to. But I was smart, Jeddah, because I know you're watching this. I was smart and I didn't go through the puddle. Well, through the middle of it. I went into it, but not the middle. So yeah, you should be proud of me now. Oh dang, dude, that thing's low-key extremely scary. Like, extremely scary. Oh my goodness. That's scary. Jeddah keeps throwing rocks on me, man. I'm getting a blister on my hand. I was riding pit bikes there. Ooh, look at this. It's the Great Wall of Hawaii. Great Wall of Hawaii. I wonder if I can get my bike in there somewhere. That'd be so sick. I could just ride my bike around in there. I know there's a ladder right there that I've crawled up before, but I don't know how I'd get my motorcycle in there. So, oh my gosh, did you guys see that hole? Dude, Jeddah is standing up on his motorcycle. I wonder if Jeddah is feeling alright. Oh, never mind, he's back down. He's feeling okay. False alarm, Jeddah is still feeling okay. This dude looks like he's about to snipe us. Pretty sure he's shooting something. Okay, that was very strange. I do not want to be here right now. That was scary. That was one of the strangest things I've ever seen. Okay guys, we are not illegally riding down the road right now. And it is Easter weekend, so there's going to be people everywhere. Oh, second gen. Oh. Ooh, who's even a comments? I feel like those guys are not very friendly. Like fishermen or like what are those things called? Like fly fishermen are just like, I feel like the most boring dudes. That's it. Like, then they come up here, stand in the river, talk about how beautiful nature is, and I'm out here like, yo, I should jet ski up that river. You know? Like why would you, like, I don't understand fly fishing. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna jet ski up that river. That's a wee bit, what's the word? Rocky, maybe? That's the word I'm looking for? Dude, I actually hope I don't see a cop right now. Actually, that'd be sick. If I get like the video of me getting pulled over on a dirt bike. Actually, I always wanted to do that. But I feel like when I would get pulled over and not have the video of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, that's kind of cool. But for real, I get very agitated by people like this. Just a nice little family out here trying to go on a motorcycle ride, and this guy ruined my day. Go back to Idaho. Go back to your Idaho home and leave my organ alone. It's about time, buddy. Anyways, guys, there's a couple crazy old people back there walking. But honestly, I don't really see much cool of anything. Just dirt and rocks and sagebrush. Dude, I plow this thing through the rocks. No, really, I was saying that I go over rocks, not through them. That was a lie. I go through rocks. Saw an older old lady walking. They had like the little walking sticks. I don't think I got it on video, but they got like these little walking sticks, like their sun hats. Like they were prepared. Like I mean prepared. Like I think they had bear spray out here. Yeah, bear spray. Better be carrying that bear spray. We're gonna get attacked by bears. It was pretty great. I look mad. Should I go through it? No, I can't. J-Dog's on my butt. I don't want to make him mad. Dude, there's snow like right there. I'm kind of mad right now. I just did like the wheelie thing, you know, where you like wheelie yacht and then you like turn around and then yacht. Right? To turn around. I dipped over and I bent like I tweaked my forks and bent my bars, and it was pretty spectacular. Now my wrist hurts. That doesn't feel very good. So, yeah, I don't know. Just kind of out in the middle of Timbuktu, riding on these nice Timbuktuian roads. I wonder if my GoPro's on. You guys still on? Dude, this is sick.